never stop learning because life never stops teaching. As a learner, I never can say I have completed my learning journey because every day I'm to learn new things. Every day I'm to learn from my situation. Honestly speaking, until as a learner get die, they never can stop their learning journey. Even occasionally, my parents asked me when will you complete your study journey. Then I told them I never gonna complete my learning journey because life never can stop chasing. That's why if you want to if you want to increase your self, never stop learning until you get to die.